Good morning, everybody. Now, there was a lot of doubts and apprehensions amongst the students that how they will be able to complete the entire indirect tax laws course, at the eve of the examination as the syllabus is vast enough. So they were asking that how we will be able to revise the entire syllabus, what are the key important topics which we must focus, what topics are not important. So for that purpose, basically, what last minute revision is must be there. For that purpose, we have launched these new video lectures which are amended by the Finance Act 2020, and they are for the students who are pursuing they are giving the examination in May 21 and November 21. So fundamentally, we have made this total presentation of the indirect tax laws covering goods and services tax, entire goods and services tax, customs, and foreign trade policy. At the eve of the examination, how you have to revise. So fundamentally, the entire syllabus is covered roundabout in 20 to 25 hours, and each and every topic has been covered. It's not that we have left something out. And the total, the presentation is in form of tables, charts, and diagrams. Basically, this way, you will be able to see it. So that's the first chapter, GST in India, brief introduction. Likewise, you will be able to see everything, each and every topic has been covered in form of, tables, charts, and diagrams. This way, our presentation is there so that you will be able to revise the entire syllabus at a time of examination. In form of PowerPoint presentation is there, and we will be providing you PDF of all these charts and flow charts and diagrams. Around about it will be 80 pages PowerPoint presentation. These slides are there. Around about 300 slides for this goods and services tax, 350 slides for goods and services tax, and for customs and foreign trade policy are also there. So you will be able to revise your entire syllabus at a time of examination. In course of video lectures, we have emphasized that these topics are very important from examination point of view. Beside this, it is not only the statutory provisions which we have covered, we have already also covered all the important circulars in this quick revision. Most of the all the important circulars from examination point of view, as we have seen that in past papers, Institute is focusing on these circulars at the time of in framing the comprehensive questions. So we have covered all these circulars also. The key aspects of the circulars have also been discussed. Likewise, this is for for entire subject. This is for composition levy, for each exemptions. Everything has been covered in form of flow charts and diagrams and tables, so that at the time of examination you do not panic. Basic thing is you will be able to complete the entire syllabus. And this is, as you are aware, this is the 8th paper. And most of the students who are pursuing both groups, they have left this paper before at least 16 days are for examination, and 15 days before that they will be revising for the first group. So a month or so. So remembering this fact, that's the 8th paper, and you may not be able to revise the entire syllabus. For this particular purpose, we have made this presentation. All the video lectures have been recorded separately in English and wholly in English, and for the students which can understand Hindi as well as English in mixed language, these lectures have been recorded. Besides this, for the students, those who are facing difficulty in solving the independent MCQs and case scenario based MCQs, we have separately launched the separate video lectures have been there for the independent MCQs and case scenario based MCQs, which have been given by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. So roundabout the duration of these video lectures is 20 to 25 hours, which we will be covering the entire syllabus. Look for customs also, we have made this. So this type of presentation is there for customs as well as for foreign trade policy. So fundamentally, all the key aspects, all the important circulars, everything has been covered, which you must focus at the time of examination for say, passing the examination with the flying colors. With flying colors, you can pass the examination. And these video lectures, they are not, say, they are very, very, say, cheaply priced, 1,000 rupees for what? The indirect tax laws. And for independent MCQs and case-based scenario MCQs, students have already purchased the same. That is also priced for rupees 1,000. So we have covered the entire syllabus here, and you will be able to revise these, entire syllabus basically in form of charts, diagrams, and tables at the eve of examination, so that you are confident enough to write your examination with the flying colors. So this is all about our, this was just an information for the students. Now from where you can go and purchase the same, these video lectures, they are available where? In our Google Drive. You can go and visit our website www.bangarsedu.com, from where you can purchase these video lectures. These video lectures are available there, and you can say, we will provide you the PDF of this entire PowerPoint presentation, say around about in 80 pages. It will be covered. 350 or 400 slides are there. You can see the same. You can easily understand it. It is just not key. This is just covering, say, some key points. Everything basically what is required at a time of examination, the same is covered here. So this was all about our information relating to our video lectures relating to quick revision at the eve of the examination. So you must go through the same so that you are able to revise the entire syllabus at the time of examination. Thank you very much.